Triumph appears to have taken the Scrambler 400 in a completely new direction. Lighter, sharper, and built with genuine rally-inspired hardware, this machine looks like the off-road version many riders have been waiting for. Finished in an eye-catching combination of white, burgundy, and cream, it immediately stands out as something far more serious than a simple color update. Known as the MIURA, the motorcycle is based on the Triumph Scrambler 400 but has been transformed into a purpose-built adventure machine. At its heart remains the familiar 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine producing around 40 horsepower, offering the same smooth and usable power delivery that has made the Scrambler 400 such a popular platform. The biggest focus, however, was weight reduction. A newly developed aluminum subframe and numerous custom-built aluminum components helped bring the motorcycle down to just 155 kilograms, making it remarkably close to the weight of modern rally bikes. The lighter rear section also improves handling, allowing the bike to feel more agile on loose terrain. Its chassis has been extensively reworked as well. Revised steering geometry, a longer wheelbase, and improved weight distribution promise greater stability at speed while maintaining confidence on technical trails. Suspension has also received a dramatic upgrade, with custom VP units developed from Triumph Tiger 800 components. Front travel grows to 210 mm, while the rear now offers 205 mm, giving the bike far greater capability away from the pavement. The transformation continues with a 21-inch front wheel, an 18-inch rear wheel, aggressive off-road tires, a Brembo front brake, slimmer Enduro-style seat, lightweight aluminum handlebar, wider foot pegs, and a redesigned exhaust system that reduces weight while improving engine response. Looking at the finished motorcycle, it feels like exactly the kind of rally-focused scrambler many fans have hoped Triumph would eventually build. But here's the surprise. The MIURA isn't an official Triumph production model at all. Instead, it's a one-off custom motorcycle created by Spanish specialist Tamarit Motorcycles. Inspired by the colors and spirit of Spain's national team, Tamarit didn't simply redesign the appearance. They completely re-engineered the Scrambler 400 to showcase what this platform is truly capable of. The result is one of the most impressive Scrambler 400 customs ever built, and perhaps the closest glimpse yet of what a lightweight rally version from Triumph could one day become.